Today I'll be getting a Redken Shades EQ gloss service to transform my sad summer hair to a rich espresso brown for the fall. Hi, I'm Saba. Today I'm going to the Cutler Salon in New York City. I think we can all see that my hair is looking a little bit rough and brassy. Overall, my summer hair color has been washed away and I have these really raw highlights that are coming through. The espresso hair color in particular better complements my skin tone and also goes really well with the fall-inspired makeup that I like to do. I'm really hoping my colorist Elizabeth can come to the rescue today and richen up my hair color. After our consultation, Elizabeth applied a custom formula of Redken Shades EQ. Redken Shades EQ is a professional demi-permanent hair color service available in salons across the country. It's available in so many colors and it allows you to try new colors without the commitment, with the help of your hairstylist, of course. That processed for about 20 minutes. And from there, I headed to the shampoo bowl to try the new Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate shampoo and conditioner, as well as some of their in-salon acidic concentrates treatments. Let me tell you, that combination really transformed the look and feel of my hair after a lot of fun in the summer sun. Then I got a bouncy blowout with some of the new Redken stylers, Big Blowout and Quick Blowout, and the Acidic Perfecting Concentrate leave-in. I felt like a whole new person. I was so happy with the results. I am ready for the fall and I think I'm going to go back and refresh the same color for the winter. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Hair.com. If you want to try a Redken Shades EQ gloss service, check out the Shades EQ Salon Finder linked in the description box below.